2014 Toyota Tundra Platinum Edition. What we got done on it, we took the original exhaust off and he brought his own TRD system from ToyotaParts.com, I think, or I forgot the name of the website. Sorry guys. But it's just a TRD edition exhaust. It's made just for this, for Toyotas. It's a suitcase kind of glass packs, really big. They're about 28 inches long. And we cut them and welded them for him. We put them in and we did turn downs. He didn't want the tailpipes on it. So there it is. That's how you do it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's what it looks like. You don't see anything when it's on the ground. Toyota Tundra. It's just a nice deep tone. He wants it more for performance than anything. Sound decibels. All right, go ahead and back it up. We wanted turn downs on it. He's gonna lift it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra Platinum. You guys saw the TRD system, so he's about to drive it off. Let you guys hear it. (2014) Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter Platinum Edition. Or is it 5? No, it's got the 5.7, yeah. The Tundras do. Really, it's got a lot of aftermarket parts on it. I like it. It's really clean. Anyways, what we got done on it, got 4 converters, 2 up there and 2 over here. Then what we put on it, the customer brought a Dirty Deeds custom exhaust bolt-on, custom system that we bolted on for him. Right there, it's called Dirty Deeds. We'll see if we can find a link in the description. If we can find one, we'll slap it in there. And then he didn't want a tailpipe showing, so he said just use his old tailpipe and just cut it off right there where it dumps it down. So it resonates off the ground a little bit. There's the original system we cut off. There's the tailpipe. And there's the muffler. So it was pretty straightforward. It wasn't too hard to install. Everything fit perfectly. Really clean. So it's a really good system if you guys want to purchase it and put it on yourselves. Somebody can do it in their, in their garage or whatever. Not too hard to put on. Anyways, it's called a Dirty Deeds custom exhaust system for Toyota Tundra. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Here it is, Toyota Tundra. At all, it's just deep. Sound decibels, go ahead. It's not loud either. It's like 101, 102 on the sound decibels. It's not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. What do you guys think? There's the old system. Got custom bumpers. A lot of little touches here and there to make it his own. Here it is outside. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. And smash that subscribe button so we can keep getting more videos. Sounds really good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra with Dirty Deeds exhaust. He's that company's out of California. It's a shop in California. He custom makes them just for Toyotas. Really nicely done truck. Loud, not too quiet. It's perfect. And when you get on it, you hear it. 2012 Toyota Tundra 4x4. Still got factory converters. These come with 4, 2 on each side. Then we true dualed it with a FLOWMASTER Super 10, 2 1/4 tailpipes out the sides with 4-inch rolled tips right there. And right there. That's how you true dual them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. If you guys want it, the muffler, you'll see the link in the description. Or the tips. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Toyota Tundra. Go ahead. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 111. Not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. True dual with Super 10. And all the piping is 2 1/4. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds good. 2014 Toyota Tundra I-Force V8 5.7 liter beast. Not Hemi. I don't know why I was going to say Hemi. But beast of a truck. Lifted. Got a 6-inch lift. We put 2 high flow cats on it in the rear. We left them primaries. Put high flows in the back. Magna flows. I'll show them to you guys in a second. One right there. One right there. Instead of these massive things. Then Toyota comes already true dualed all the way back. And then we put 2 CARVENs right there. Type R's, 1 on each side. As you guys can see, really beautiful. And there's the cat, really beautiful. And then we redid his tailpipe on one side and put hangers, new hangers, into 5-inch rolled black tips out the corners. One here and right there. And like always, guys, please support us by subscribing if you like the video and you like the sound. There's the CARVEN mufflers. They're gonna sound really nice. And this is the tips we cut off, these ugly things. And the MagnaFlow was really quiet, 14-inch body, tool in, tool out. We cut that out too because we didn't like it. And that looks way, way better. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I hope it's loud.
I want to sound loud, man.
Let's see. Go ahead. I told you. Say that again. What do you think?
That's crazy.
beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. Carven Type R's. 5-inch high flow cats. Here's the sound decibels. Again. 114. That's awesome. 114. Heck yeah. Do you like it?
I love it.
I love it. That's what we like to hear. Who cares? We're disturbing the peace since 2004, man. That's what we do. There it is. Oh yeah, baby. Tundra, Toyota. You cannot beat that sound, baby. Listen to that. Hope you guys like it as much as we do. Toyota Tundra 2014. Let you guys hear on the inside. Heck yeah! Toyota Tundra, really nicely done. I like it. They look really good lifted.
Yeah, what's with the tow haul on it so the turbo out of here?
Heck yeah! Don't disappoint now, get on it. Let's see what she sounds like. That sounds awesome. Ooh. That sounds good. Man, that's mean. 2010 Toyota Tundra 5.7 or 6, I think. I think it was 5.6. I'm not sure. No.
V8.
V8 anyways. Really nice truck, lifted, got custom bumpers, custom everything. It's really nice, really well built. What we got done on it, it's got aftermarket converter on this side, a secondary regular converter, and then regular converters on this side. 4 of them total come on Tundras. And then they come already true dualed, but then they wire into a regular muffler, you know, with a single outlet. We cut all that off and did true duals all the way back 2 1/4 and into mandrel bent tailpipes on each side, right there and right there, into massive 5-inch angle cut tips, because, you know, why not? There and there. And we had to take his beloved train horns off to be able to do the duals, but it's okay. Exhaust is more important. And like always, guys, please subscribe to keep supporting us and keep getting you guys more videos. Thank you. Much better. Toyota Tundra. True dual straight pipe with 5-inch tips. Sound decibels? Again? 113. Wow. That sounds awesome. 113, man, that's loud. That looks really good too. They came out really nice. That's his workhorse right there. Really nicely done, man. I like it. She needs a pad. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Tundra, baby. True dual, straight pipe, 5-inch tips.